Today Little Armenians takes you to Vienne in France, not to be confused with Vienna, the capital of Austria. Vienne in France has an Armenian community since the 1920s, and it's officially the sister city of Goris in Armenia since 1992. But if we haven't met, I'm Robin Kulaksesian. I've visited over 100 countries to meet local Armenians, and I'm the author of Little Armenians. That's a travel guidebook for the Armenian diaspora. I'll put a link below if you are interested to order one. Let's go! Vienne is a laid-back riverfront city of around 30,000 inhabitants. It's located 30 kilometers south of Lyon. Vienne, of course, is famous for its Roman ruins. There is like a temple and a theater. And more recently also famous for a two-week jazz festival, the best in France, Jazz à Vienne. So you have to know that Vienne specialized in the textile production in the 19th century and started to industrialize. So at the beginning of the 20th century, you had some local French entrepreneurs, including the shoe manufacturer Pelé, for example, from Vienne, and they traveled to Marseille to hire Armenian refugees. So you had like a lot of Armenian refugees coming to Marseille and had a good reputation as good workers. So several hundred Armenians went up the Rhone to settle in Vienne. A very good example is the building that housed the Armenian workers who worked for the company Pascal Valuy, and the building took the name of Le Kemp. Le Kemp from the word used by the Armenians to speak of the refugees camps in Syria and Lebanon. At the foot of Mont Pipet, which dominates all the Vienne's landscape, there is the House of Armenian Culture, la Maison de la Culture Arménienne, or MCA in French. It's located right next to the Roman theater, the first century Roman theater, where, by the way, the jazz festival happens right there in the Roman theater. You should also absolutely make the effort to climb to the top of the Mont Pipet, because not only you have like a great view, but there is a khachkar that was installed there in 2007, right next to the chapel. The Armenian Genocide Memorial of Vienne was inaugurated in 1982 on the 24 Avril 1915 street in the historical Armenian neighborhood, not far from Le Kemp. There is also a commemorative plaque that was dedicated to Armenian women victims of the genocide that was inaugurated by the local chapter of the Armenian Relief Society, the home in Jardin de la Ville, the city park. Now for food, you have to go to Les Frangins, the brothers, in a pedestrian street of the city center, and it's one of the few Armenian restaurants in France where you have like the all-you-can-eat option. There is also the grocery store and caterer Le Caucase, the Caucasus, that has a large selection of very good Armenian specialties. Finally, I'd like to thank the MCA for hosting a Little Armenians book conference last year. They do a great job for a community of that size. And for example, you have their involvement in the partnership with between Vienne and Goris in Armenia that do like amazing humanitarian projects, and that's one example among many others. So thank you to them, and that was Little Armenians. Thank you for watching.